Hey guys, my name is Mike Winkles and I'm an iRocker paddleboard ambassador, and today I want to introduce you to the iRocker Ultra collection, specifically the Blackfin CX. This is the 2022 line, it's just come out, and today we're going to unbox it and show you what's in store for summertime. Quick side note, iRocker's always been fun with their paddleboard boxes, whether it's hashtags for your unboxing or even little things inside to get you excited. You, me, in the open water, let's go get it. Hashtag new sup day for when you guys get your new paddleboards. On the bag, you can see obviously much shorter than last year's bag. All packed in tight. Still has nice backpack straps, thick padded back for us. Handle on top. No wheels this year, but the bag's too short for wheels. You wouldn't be able to wheel it along anyways. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Velcro across the top. Still zipper face going down. And that opens up. There we are. All right, right on top we got another storage bag. Start there. Inside we got our quick start guide, some swag, Blackfin stickers. There's this year's fins. Only 2 fins this year, not the 3 fins with the 1 long and 2 short on the side. We got 2 long fins that are going to be tethered fins this year as they mount in. Save a paddle kit, basically patch kit, the wrench for your valve, all for traveling. 10-foot leash. Now we're excited. The 2022 comes with an electric pump for you. You don't have to hand pump these models. They come with the pump for you and a storage bag all ready to go. This is the same pump as previous years if you purchased the iRocker electric pump. I have 2. And I only bought 2 because I have so many boards to fill, and I've been using them both for about 2 years, and I use them a lot, and they've held up like champs. Comes packaged well, that way as it ships to you, it won't get damaged in shipping. They usually come rolled up from one end to the other. This one's not only rolled, but it's also folded in half to give you an idea of how nice these things are going to pack away. They come with a strap to help hold everything together. Pop that off. Start to fold out the board. There we are. The CX comes with a nice wood grain finish up on front. You got bungees front and back. Plenty of mounts for your GoPros, cup holders, different accessories or action camera mounts. Nice padding in the middle with a handle strap. You've got seat hooks for if you like to use kayaks. You can buy your kayak seat and mount that right there. All the way to the back where we're going to fill the board up. On the underside, we have our 2 fin pockets. I've noticed these are much smaller than last year's fin pockets. That should make it much easier to roll up. And you can see they're tethered fin pockets this year. So after you mount your fin in, you can lock it down that way in case anything gets knocked out. It'll still be there for you. This model currently comes in 2 different colors, with more colors coming this summertime. But the Ultra line overall comes in 4 different models. You got the Blackfin, you got the iRocker Cruiser, and now you've got the all-arounds, which come in a 10-foot and 11-foot. All of them you're looking about 30% lighter, so that means nice and fast and zippy across the water, easy to tote around, move around. Your kayak paddles now come in 5 pieces, pack away. Should be nice for loading them in the car, take them on the plane, going where you need to go to get in the water.